Hi everybody, I'm Moritz from the Kate, and in this video I will quickly show you how you can interact with cUSD token and how you can basically transfer the Celo token in the Remix IDE so that you can test it properly. We're going to do that with the marketplace contract that you can learn how to build on the Kate. Basically, it has three functions. You can write a product, you can read a product, and you can buy a product. And the buying part is facilitated through the ERC20 token, the cUSD token. Okay, so I hope you have installed like the Celo plugin that you can do here. Here's the Celo plugin. And you see I already have compiled the contract here with Control S. And now the important part is to connect your accounts to, right? So let's do that. You have to have installed like the Celo extension, like this one here, like a Celo wallet. And so in this case we have 14 Celo and the address EA32, which matches this address. So this is the account that we are logged in, just to know, because with that account we will create basically the product, and so later another person can buy the product, and then we will transfer the tokens, right? Just to keep track, we have two accounts, and we will transfer a token via the contract from one to another one. Okay, let's deploy it. Make sure to select the marketplace contract. We deploy it. We have to pay for the execution. This may take like a tiny second. Okay, now we have deployed the contract. Here in you can see like here it's still pending in our wallet. Okay, now it's gone through. So I will just open this so that you know that we keep the address of our contract here safe. So this is the address, right? 5984, then because we will need that later. 5984, that's right. Let's create a product. We fill out just some random information. Now with the price, to actually see it, let's put the right decimals, so 18 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so that's the price. Maybe let me also save that somewhere here. Okay, now let's add this product. Again, this is transaction. And let's wait a little bit until it's confirmed. Looks good. Let's read the product. Okay, this is a product, this is a price, and this is the owner, so the person who will get paid is this address, which is the address that we have here, right? So now we can disconnect basically this account from Remix. So let's do that. Here, this is this is the site that we are connected to. Now we disconnected. Let's reload the page. Maybe we don't need to reload it, but I guess. And now let's connect to another account. So maybe we will use like this account here, which has 7 cUSD. It's connected. Third account, that's all right. And with that, we are going to want to buy the product. So again, let's look into our contract. Let's compile it. Here we have our contract. And now what we need to do, and this might sound a little bit confusing, but we actually need to give the contract, like the marketplace contract, basically an allowance. So what we want to do is we want to allow the marketplace contract to transfer a certain number of the cUSD token on our behalf that we own, right? We are not sending it to them, but we're giving them the permission. And this is a permission that you can give via a proof here. And this is what this is like part of this ERC20 token like interface that we're having here, and that's basically what we're going to use, right? So before we can actually buy something, we need to approve it. So let's do that, and yeah, we will need like the connect to interact and give this approval to this contract. So so let's like load the contract here to use its functions, right? And we can, yeah, like basically get it from an address. So like this is the address. Let's do that. And here now we have the approve function. And basically what we want to approve is our contract, right? The one that we just created. This one is a marketplace contract. And now there's like a little particularity, I think with this like Celo extension here. That is when we first put this the contract and then the allowance, we'll get some problems. You see, invalid address. So if we do it the other way around, then this works. Yeah, it's a little bit weird, but so first the number, then the address, and now we can approve that. Okay, and now let's make the transaction. So yeah, let's load our contract, right? We have here already the address of our contract, this one that we deployed. So let's load it. Should be now here below that. Sorry, this one we need. The address is right though. Okay, we have here our marketplace contract, and now we want to buy the product. Let's read the product out again just to see that it's the right one. Call it, yes, here that was the price, right? So now we want to buy a product. So buy the product with this index. So let's do that, 0. And now let's transact it. Now you see, like, looks all right. Maybe before we do that, actually, let's look again on our token. How many do we have? 7. So we should have 4 after this transaction. This with the index 0 we want to buy. Let's do that. Okay, looks good. Maybe this takes a little bit, but yeah, like here transaction has already been confirmed. So 3 USD transferred like we wanted, right? And now let's check out our account. It's 4, that's right. And if we look in our account too, now that's 30. That also looks right. So yeah, this is how you can make the transaction. I hope that helped. If you have any more questions, let me know. Okay, thank you.